this is Deepak. Today I will show you how to soften the skin in Photoshop. So first, remove the blemishes. Of the background layer or the subject layer, whatever is there, is by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and then press Ctrl or Command I to invert it. Change the blend mode of this from normal to vivid light. Once you change the blend mode, go to the filter, other. Inside of other there is high pass option. Increase the value up to the point where everything is blends in. For this example, around 30 is great. Press OK when you are satisfied. Go back to the filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Increase the value to the point where the skin texture starts to become visible. For this example, 4 to 5 is a great value. Press OK, and then you just need to make a negative mask by holding down the Alter option key and clicking on the mask button. This creates a black mask. Take the brush and make sure that the foreground color is white, and zoom in. Paint the skin very nicely. Just make sure you stay away from the edges. If you think it's too much, you can always go ahead and decrease the opacity. I choose 70 to 80%, and that's fine, done. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.